How to fix Roblox account ban. To fix the Roblox ban account, you must submit an official appeal to the Roblox moderation team within the 30 days. Now, before appealing, look at the error screen when you try to log in to your Roblox account. If it is a temporary ban, you can either wait for the time to expire or appeal if you believe it was a mistake. And if it is permanently banned or deleted, your account is gone unless you successfully appeal. And if the ban is showing error code 267 or 600, you are only banned from a specific game, not all of Roblox. Now, Roblox support cannot fix this. You must contact that specific game's creator to ask for an unban. Now, finally, to submit an official appeal, simply go to the web browser and open any web browser on your device. Then simply search for Roblox support form. And from their website, tap on it. Now, finally, simply complete your form. Enter your credential and write the issue details and enter the type of category, and finally describe your issue clearly. Clearly state what happened clearly in this description bar. And finally, after you enter all of the details, tap on continue and your appeal will be officially sent. And that's it for this video, guys. In this way, you can easily unban your Roblox account. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.